So before we start learning about what an agent is, first let's see the hype around the agents in the current market. So this picture is from market.us. As you can see here, this picture shows the global AI agents market displaying from 2023 and projected until the year 2033. And you can clearly see the AI agents market rise, right? So the market will grow at the CAGR of 43.8%. So CAGR means compound annual growth rate, and the forecasted market size for 2033 in USD is $139 billion, right? So by now you already know that the AI agents are going to play a crucial role in the future, right? And the other aspect is the funding for AI agents, right? And you can see from this picture that the investor funding for the AI agents is on the rise. And it will continue to grow because investors tend to invest in things that will rise in the future, right? So if you see in this picture in 2020, the investment was $31 million, and in 2021, $154 million, and in 2022, it was 247, and in 2023, it was 772, and in 2024, it was $1,387 million. So you can see AI agents are a new investor darling, right? So in addition to agents hype, some people are questioning the hype around the AI agents as well. So let me walk you through few articles so you'll get an idea. So in this article you can see AI agents are overhyped. Are they actually useful or just fancy demos, right? So you can see here AI agents are hyped as the future, but they are really that useful? Most seem like flashy demos. Cool in theory, but impractical in real life. They all feel the same with little real innovation and hardly anyone uses them. Right now, I feel most of them seem built more to impress than to solve real problems. Tech people might play around with them, but for most people, they are clunky, unreliable, and more trouble than they are worth. Am I missing something? So, this is how somebody is trying to question whether the AI agents are hyped, right? And this is another article. So in this article, somebody is claiming, I just hit 25,000 monthly recurring revenue in 4 months with N8N, right? So this N8N is the no code agentic framework. So this is another article where they are claiming they are making 25,000 monthly recurring revenue in 4 months. And this is one other article, AI agents hype or real, right? So I see everywhere news talking about the next new thing. LangChain talks about it in any conference they go to. Many other companies also arguing this is the next big thing, right? And here you can see agents are only as good as the underlying implementation LLM, tools, RAG, prompts, etc. I find it very useful. With LangGraph now available, the earlier limitations of agents have been largely addressed. We do use them in production use cases, right? I only see this improving from now on, right? So somebody is trying to criticize and somebody is saying it is really valuable, right? So there is so much hype going on around using agents in real time. But let me show you some of the research papers which helped us with agentic transformation. So if you see here, this is the first one. Chain of thought prompting elicits reasoning in large language models. So this is one of the important article that explains the importance of agents. And the second paper is React, synergizing reasoning and acting in language models. And the next article is Tool Former, language models can teach themselves to use tools. And the next one is about generative agents. And all the agentic frameworks are built on top of these research papers. So agents are not hype, they are real because we have research evidence. So when you have time, please go through these research papers. I will provide the articles that I am referring to here. So that's the hype around the agents and the research that went into building these agentic frameworks. So with this background, let's learn about what an agent is in the next lecture. All right. Thank you.